Good day guys, again here. Previously we did this exercise, so actually what we are trying to model is this one. So if you look at this image, it's slightly different. So see this here, and what we did is this. So today we're going to achieve this. Okay, so but first, because last time I didn't show you how to make it curved, so today I'll just show you this, how to make it curve first. Okay, so you should be able to download this family. So I think I uploaded this family last time, so you can download this one. And if you edit this family and go, so let's just go back. If you can't see this mass, so you just need to show mass. Okay, so and then you can edit. So this is, so if you move your cursor around the corner, and this is the this adaptive family. So let's edit family. Okay, so okay, looks like we need to adjust the points. So maybe let's go to family types, change this to actually let me change to 11 maybe. Yeah, I think that's it. It should be 11. And so I'm not going to model it again, but I'm just going to show you. So previously we make it it's a straight line, so we start from just place the point on the straight line. But this one, so you will see what I did is I placed a point on this. So this is two adaptive points, so 1 and then 2, and we get this reference line. Okay, so this is a straight line, and then what I did is I placed a point on this straight line in the midpoint, and from this midpoint I place another point offset from this point, and then I connect one and this point and this one, so and create a spline. So this curved line. Okay, so and then depending on the offset, so if I select this point, you will see this is the offset. So use this offset so we can control the curve. How if I let's go offset 2. So if I change this to 1 later, you will see it more curved. So yeah, it's more curved. So and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's from this we can get a reference a curved reference line. So we can use divided path and place point on this curved reference line. And then what I did next is I place more points. So there should be another point here. Maybe let's have a look here. So this point, so 1, so this 1, 2, 3. So these are the points offset from points on this reference line. So let me just try to HH this adaptive point. So there should be another. So this one's not this one. HH again. This one, yeah, this one. So you will see. And after we have created this reference line, so we can place another 3 points. So this one, and one in the middle, and one in this end. And from this point, and place extra 1, 2, 3 points with an offset. So now if I select this point, so you will see this is another offset. So we can create another parameter. So this offset will decide the distance between these two curved reference lines. Okay, so once we have these two curved reference lines, we can use divided path, and then we can place point. So now if you set this offset to 0, it will become a straight. So the whole line, so the whole this shape will be straight. And if you change, if you set this offset to 0, it will become a straight line. Okay, so let's just go back to here. So if I create, so for example, if I see, let me just, oh sorry, we can't use CS. We need to go create component. If I create an adaptive family, so this is it. And if we change, so for example, offset 2, if I change it to 0, it becomes a straight line, right? And if I change this to, so for example, 1 meter, it becomes a spline with 1 meter offset from the middle. So okay, so if I connect point 1 and point 2, and the midpoint to the midpoint of this curve will be 1 meter. And also the other offset is, so if I change it, if I type in a 1 meter for, so you will see this is offset from these points and these points. Okay. Okay, so now if I go back again, and another very important parameter is, so from this point, okay, so this point, because we can rotate it, so you will see this point, there's a rotation angle parameter here. So if we change, let me go back to here, so select this family, so there is this rotation angle parameter. So if we change the angle, you will see it will rotate. Okay, so you can rotate 180, yeah, 270, and go back to 0. Okay, so and then after that, so we can have this. So this is one of that adaptive family. So it will be curved, but all those two reference lines, two curved lines are in the same location to create this just curved line. For this one, this is the one with all curved and both with two curved lines, so it will be zigzag shape, and this one will be the same to that one. Okay, so and also you can place it. So yeah, basically you can just place it whatever direction you like, because adaptive family is very, you can place them on any face or any work plane. So you can even place it here to there, something like that. Okay, and then what you need to do is just change everything, so to adjust the directions, and then from and so if I place another one, maybe you can just place another one. I'll just place some random location. Okay, so here, and then also with different curve and different size, and we can create form from this. See, so you can create some quite nice, interesting shape, I believe. Okay, so let's delete this one, and delete this one. So now let's achieve this. So if you zoom in, let me try to zoom in. So let's achieve this. So it's okay. So now let's have a look. So first I'll just delete these two, and so first these two profile or these two adaptive, if I create a form, so it will always the form will always be like this, and also these two, if I create a form, so Revit will try to find the the relationship. So probably maybe find the shortest route between each 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 edge or each line. So what we can do to create this is if I just noticed that if we rotate this by 90 degree, and you will see, so maybe I'll just remove the so you should be able to see it already here. But if I remove this offset, so it becomes straight, so it's easier. You can see this is already what we're looking for. But the only difference between this one and this one is this one looks like it's a little bit curved. Okay, so the profile of this, but in our model we don't have a curve. We have a curve on different direction, on that direction, not this direction. So it's not exactly the same, but it's close. And I also noticed that even if I create this shape, right? So if I create this form, and then if I change this back, and it will just change back to previous shape. So which means we can't have this adaptive family facing this direction. We need to have it 0, so the other direction, and then we just need to add curve into it. So let's do it. So select our edit family. Okay. Looks like I changed this. It changed it back. Maybe that's okay. I'll just change type 11 points. And okay, all good. So what we're going to do is, because currently the curves, the direction of this curve is parallel to these so let's say this shape. So what we need to do is we just need to rotate this by 90 degree. Okay, so we can do it. Okay, so what we need to do is so this point is controlled by this, so which rotates, and this point is currently, I don't think this point is controlled by this. I'll see if this one, so there's no rotation angle. So what's this one? No. Okay, so it's controlled by this one. So if let's try, if I type in 90 degree, okay. So that's okay. So what we can do is we can add another rotation angle. Okay, so we can add another rotation angle. So I'll have a look at this one. This one is offset from this. This one controls the amount of the curve. So what we can do is we can place another point on this reference line, draw face, and we're going to use this point to control this, the whole, this shape. So I'll just change this to always show all the work plane, and then I believe I just need to place this point onto the horizontal work plane of this point. So this one, I'll just HH this point. So, and what's this one? Okay, that's fine, that's just a point. So there's no more points there. So I can just move this to the midpoint. and then select this point. So currently, I'll see what, no, I'll just need to set work plane. So set this point, pick new host, place on work plane, and go here, pick work plane, some tab, pick this horizontal work plane, and place it on the point, and OK. So now we can try to select a point. So not this one, tab, this one, and then we can just offset it. Okay, so I can't remember which one. So maybe let's try offset 2. No, it's offset 1. Okay, so now let's try, and hang on. So what's the rotation angle of this one? So this one should be the same as these, not this one, this. So it's A. Okay, so let's link this to A, and then we probably just need another one. This, let's call it A2 instance. Okay, and okay. So now let's have a test of this. So A, let's try A2 first, 90 degree. Okay, and okay, it goes to that side. 0. Maybe I'll increase this one. So 2, 3, later. Yep, 500. Increase this one. Sorry. Yep, and rotate. Let's try A, 90 degree. Yeah. So yeah, I think at least we can create this shape. Right? Let's try the A2, 90. Go to this direction, and yeah, it looks like we need to adjust, because if I do it from scratch, I probably will change my method a little bit, but because we just trying to modify an existing one, so it's a little bit complicated here because we have two, but I think it will work. Okay, so now let's just save this family. I'll save it as a different, because I want to keep the previous one. Okay, so I'll just type in a different name and then load this into that that file. Okay, so and then I'll select this and change this to the new one. And we just need to adjust the parameters a little bit. So okay, so let's change this back to 500, and let's try to rotate angle. So it looks like we need this to 0 maybe. Yeah, so now you will see this is, I think this is what we're looking for. So it's curved, but the profile, the directional profile is perpendicular to previous profile, and so I'll see if I can increase this one. Yep. So maybe increase this one, and I think this is it. So if you look at this in this, maybe I'll give it some material, solid material or whatever, so make it solid so you can see the difference. Okay, so this is it. So previously if I change this back to this 590. Oh, what's happening here? 11. So this is the previous one. Okay. So if I Control Z, go back to change type. So this is the new one, and also it's curved. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.